Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Before moving on to the Shiba details, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. Please support by subscribing and turning on the notification bell. We are a strong community. SHIB bulls target 900 on Shibarium. SHIB burn news. SHIB is on the move this morning, with Shibarium upgrade news driving demand, while Doge faces Twitter uncertainty over the near term. Dogecoin, Doge, and Shiba Inu coin enjoyed bullish sessions on Friday. U.S. economic indicators in the Nasdaq index delivered support as investors awaited the Shibarium upgrade and Twitter updates. The technical indicators are mixed, with signals pointing to further SHIB gains. Shiba Inu coin rose by 0.60% on Friday. Reversing a 0.12% loss from Friday, SHIB ended the day at 842. SHIB avoided sub-80 for the fifth consecutive session. After a choppy start to the day, SHIB slid to an early afternoon low of 816. Finding support at the first major support level, S1, at 816, SHIB rose to a late afternoon high of 849. However, coming up short of the first major resistance level, R1, at 870, SHIB eased back to end the day at 842. Dogecoin rose by 1.54% on Friday. Partially reversing a 2.19% loss from Thursday, Doge ended the day at 726. Notably, Doge revisited sub-700 levels for the first time in 3 sessions. A bearish morning saw Doge slide to a morning low of $0.0695, finding support at the first major support level, S1, at 696. Doge rallied to a late high of 728. However, coming up short of the first major resistance level, R1, at $0.0743, Doge eased back to end the day at $0.0726. U.S. economic indicators delivered Doge and SHIB support on Friday. U.S. economic indicators drove demand for riskier assets. The U.S. jobs report and ISM non-manufacturing PMI eased bets of a hawkish February Fed interest rate hike. Softer wage growth and a contraction in the non-manufacturing sector were behind the shift in sentiment that fueled a Nasdaq index rally. The Nasdaq index rose by 2.56%, with the S&P 500 gaining 2.28%, adding to the bullish session as investor anticipation of the Shibarium upgrade. This morning, the Shibarium network delivered its latest update on the Shibarium upgrade, saying, the Shibarium network went on to say, this morning's announcement supported a bullish SHIB morning session, with higher burn rates SHIB price positive. However, there were no updates from Twitter or the Dogecoin Foundation to support a Doge breakout. Shiba Inu coin price action at the time of writing, SHIB was up 0.71% to 848. A mixed start to the day saw SHIB fall to an early low of 840 before rising to a high of 871. SHIB broke through the first major resistance level, R1, at 855 and the second major resistance level, R2, at 869 before it returned to sub-850. Technical indicators SHIB needs to avoid the 836 pivot to retarget the first major resistance level, R1, at 855. A return to 850 would signal a bullish afternoon session. However, SHIB will likely take its cues from the broader crypto market and further updates on the Shibarium upgrade. In the case of an extended rally, SHIB would likely retest the second major resistance level, R2, at 869. The third major resistance level, R3, sits at 902. A fall through the pivot would bring the first major support level, S1, at 822 into play. However, barring another extended sell-off, SHIB should avoid sub-810 in the second major support level, S2, at 803. The third major support level, S3, sits at 770. Shiba Inu's Layer 2 solution, Shibarium, will burn SHIB. The latest update has left the community excited as it offers the potential to boost SHIB burns. Shiba Inu's Shibarium will burn SHIB tokens, according to the latest update from the official Shibarium network Twitter handle today. According to the latest post, each transaction on the protocol will burn SHIB. Unsurprisingly, the community has received this news with excitement. This is because reducing the initial 1 quadrillion SHIB supply has become a focal uniting vision within the community. It could make SHIB tokens more valuable for holders in the future in the face of increased demand. So far, holders have succeeded in burning over 41% of the initial supply. It is worth noting that in recent weeks some community members have expressed dissatisfaction with the rate of burns. One user recently noted that if burns are not in billions and trillions, they will have little effect over many years. Notably, the prospect of each transaction on the Shibarium protocol burning SHIB, especially in the case of mass adoption, could exponentially increase the rate of burns. Recall that SHIB burns started the year at a high, with about 200 million SHIB burnt to start the year after burning over 83 billion tokens in 2022. However, at the moment, the burns appear to have slowed down. At press time, the burn rate is down 65.82%, with only about 5 million SHIB permanently taken out of circulation in the last 24 hours, per data from Shibarium.com. It bears mentioning that there is yet to be a precise launch date for Shibarium. However, in recent weeks, developers have teased a near launch date for the beta version. At the end of last month, Shiba Inu lead developer Shitoshi Kusama noted that they were in the final stages. As recently reported, developers have debunked false rumors surrounding the project. They have clarified that only bone will be used for gas on the protocol. In addition, they asserted that the project is for the Shiba Inu ecosystem alone and not reliant on external ownership. Shiba Inu versus Bonk. Who wins this hype battle? A great battle of meme tokens emerged in the early days of 2023. The year started with Shiba Inu and Bonk showing good performances. But who may be the great champion of this hype war? As Shiba Inu is already well known in the cryptocurrency market, before analyzing it, let us explain what Bonk is. For those familiar with the concept of a meme altcoin, the new token has nothing truly special beyond helping the Solana (SOL) ecosystem. How come? Bonk is described as the first dog coin for the people, by the people. As such, 50% of the total token supply was released to the Solana community. As observed in recent years, altcoin memes have great strength in speculation and usually have good trading volume for a few days before losing that momentum. As a token on the SOL blockchain, the project wants to de-image Solana from Alameda Research and bring liquidity back to the altcoin's decentralized exchanges. In 2022, Solana was one of the cryptocurrencies most impacted by the fall of Sam Bankman-Fried's SBF empire. The former billionaire was a big proponent of one of the biggest Ethereum killer bets. This support led SBF and his trading company to invest not only in Solana, but also in tokens on the cryptocurrency's blockchain. Soon after the entrepreneur's downfall, these assets underwent severe corrections and were even delisted from some exchanges. A good example of this was the stablecoins on Solana's network, USDT and USDC, which came out of major crypto platforms such as Binance and OKX. However, this early 2023 has shown that Bonk's initiative has worked for Solana, as the altcoin has grown by over 40% in the last 7 days, following Bonk's even more surprising rise. Shiba Inu versus Bonk. When it comes to capitalization growth, that victory belongs to Solana's network token. Bonk has grown by about 1,800% in the last 7 days, while SHIB has experienced a 3% increase in the same period. However, this significant growth has occurred because Bonk has a much smaller market cap than Shiba Inu, which is ranked 16th by market capitalization, and the new altcoin is only ranked 2,593, making it much easier to grow. Indeed, the hype around Bonk may continue for a while, with new investors deciding to venture in, but to trust that it will be eternal, that its burns will help the token keep going up, or that it will be largely responsible for Solana's rebirth into the top 10, is to take the crypto investor away from reality. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.